I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Keynote and choosing your aspect ratio. 16:9 is standard for online video. Once done, import your main assets, video clips, PNG overlays, music tracks, so they are available. Make sure you enable Record Slideshow and choose your webcam and microphone inputs. This lets you capture picture-in-picture and narration. You're doing this first to lock settings because consistent resolution and audio make editing simpler later. Now create a rough slide order. Treat each slide as a scene you'll record. Now you record slide by slide. Hit Record Slideshow, speak naturally, and trigger builds as you go. This captures timing and webcam together. As you proceed, add animations and transitions, but keep them purposeful. Complex builds should support the point, not distract. Make sure to fine-tune build timing so voice and visuals align, play back sections, and re-record any slide with timing issues. Once all scenes are solid, replace placeholders with final high-resolution media to avoid pixelation when you export. Finish by exporting your presentation as a movie. Choose MOV or MP4 and set 1080p or 4K to match your source clips. Then import that file into a video editor to trim, color correct, and add background music. Normalize levels so dialogue sits clearly. Once finalized, export Final Master using H.264 for wide compatibility. If audio sync slips or a slide has glitches, re-record the individual slide in Keynote and re-export only that segment. This saves time versus redoing the whole file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.